we Greater Accra Regional Minister, Madam Linda Oklo. And sorry, you pass a useless comment. We say Accra is for guns.
Say any what time and who ya any bra. And can you poke crabby sorry anopa? Enye dede. Adaya Kutuka International Airport. Akwaaba na ebo hono. Yen changino.
Enti other share of the Reason Show and Bigscout Nana Prempe of Bigscout Media abe clash with Greater Accra Regional Minister Linda Oklo. Ni nyina fa say yes Akwaaba na ewo Kutuka International Airport ene Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Yes Akwaaba na ho na de obake abehye ho no. Just say Linda Oklo our Greater Regional Accra Minister abe kan sim bi enumo ana Bigscout na Prempe ene other share of the Reason Show abe clash with her. Na o ma beto to be pa e de amane no. I Penyah block media. Best was any demo. Over like if video, no other post subscribe button, so click the notification and connect latest updates. Some better watch in the mame. Our comments. She must was over so. No achievement for so any be actually. 80 mame for quite Accra and some bekeno. I don't hate garmanche. There are many garmanche in yourself. But as a blogger, I was ultimate tea. Say who maybe I do a baby start free. Any baby, I will say be able to me at tea. Say who the agenda behind it. And don't think say I don't be so actually because say I hate garmanche. There be many garmanche in yourself. Any day, with all due respect, me no any problem there. It a year on the 23rd November 2023. Ana Akufo-Addo ekosira garmanche is oko garmanche ena yase. Na eho no ana garmanche edi adeside bi eto Akufo-Addo ni. O kire mu se enka na nado emwa no na Greater Accra no onsisa edine man na ko onya no Dangme region. Na first obieso a onfa teachers for yese omu akọ school ewo gan honom na omu asua gan etinka kasa no omu nkwana ka on post omu emu ehonom.
Your Excellency, I'm sure that you are mindful of our desire to change the name of the Greater Accra region to the Dangme region. This is part of the effort towards unification and consolidation of the Ghana state. Your assistance in this regard will be appreciated by us. The Ghana language has been threatened in recent years. Indeed, many schools do not teach Ghana anymore in the Greater Accra region. And to this, it's a big threat to our very existence and our culture because we evolve from it. We are asking that teachers that are trained to teach Ghana are posted to our Ghana communities. From the effort of the Ghana Traditional Council and the Office of the Garmanche, we are also asking that before you send and ask the posting regulators to send our wards who have been taught the Ghana or graduates from Ghana teaching institutions to communities within the Ghana state so that they can teach the Ghana language.
Eme hokwara Akufo-Addo. Every guys I know there and I need them with all due respect. I know there see a from Greater Accra region to Dangme region there. I know they mean to me now can mean to me that assurance.
For Greater Accra name to be changed to Dangme, with respect, Niga, that one is not your responsibility, it is my responsibility. I will consult my cabinet and the Council of State, Mobakwe, but I cannot commit myself to that. And you cannot do it without me.
What I say, it I know there, because I don't know it needs a whole lot of consultation. Answer that to me, I said, and from there, and I say, me who I been be a walk, Ganfoni 3 more. What I say, and I said, was a week, you can't be shame, and who say, picture be asked at airport on the internet. I say, it's not a year. Kwame Nkrumah Park, no, I signage. I signage in the Accra was so, welcome. I Bronicasa English. Wezo, ever for Casa. And your welcome now. And after 3 Casa Akwaaba. And also welcome now. And no, and as I was so, Kwame Nkrumah Park, Sunday Jina Omo Ayano. Now that Sunday Jina Poppy up. And I got one who, and also there be. Yantiasi, every say, atana ewa gan asase so na emu kura no na nsiyan gamanche ebedi nkom ebechire say oh say oba gan oba Accra ho no na omo no omo nka Akwaaba because that no receive some visitors ema omo bechia no Akwaaba ewo ho eho no gamanche echire say oh say oba Accra gan ha no mo yenka Akwaaba debi na yenka no Obake.
Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say Obake. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Obake. Can you say that? Obake.
Don't much say any say gan hene aye gamanche abe set record this trade ya ade internet ye signage na instead of using Obake no ye use Akwaaba e was ntia ye say Akwaaba no e ma ekofa Kotoka International Airport signage na ho na Akwaaba bo was nyina we say ne ye say signage nyina ba bia be hu the word Akwaaba bia no ye say Akwaaba ni nyina enya no Obake e ma later hu say nkofu bi ekoye ayi ni foforo omokoye different editing ekobubu signage na Ghana Tourism Authority for eye edikobo Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park no e also wezo welcome Akwaaba no anybody bi ekoyi free ho no mo edi omudia omaya ya twese Obake no na ekobo ho no mo e ma for musa ya another design na say eno it will go for the Kotoka International Airport Akwaaba na ho no mo na hu say picture pop up na say ya replace Akwaaba nyina with Obake baby na be hu no signage you are the actually Akwaaba bia the only person with Obake eno and a sparking conversation now for just oh and there's a Salamo can dey ene ade bia e wo bia region mo no o make use of that in time pen because e ka say ene akosombo dam kra no eno so enya say e be supply other region
ye ka nyansanfo mo app yi so a madam ye o ma sa comment o ka ho bi onim nyansan papa we say please akosombo dam should stop producing to other regions. Let's all respect ourselves. Eya no kure ni. Moten kranse sabi yenyi Akwaaba free ho na Akwaaba da ofitete be da ye free ho. Ha? Ghana ha sabi pe language a obia timi ka bia eya kankasa ye twi. Ye wo obi nkran e wo ye nkran ni otimi ka twi. But ye wo obi o afen say north otimi nkankran bo otimi ka twi. What you say? E ban sale na Kosomo fo no omo nkwa na omo nsu dam no omo nsu light e wa Kosomo regions ni nyina ye ma omo light biem. Ena bo omo nyane Ghana ye ni abre no mo nyankwasasa mo ti wa mudi ni pani abre adai ha krofu owu ekwa anya mo kasafa ho na gera 14 kran jimi mo nka ho asa Akwaaba na mo ko ho ezu ba ake
eno mu ema Greater Accra Regional Ministers ebebo defense mamu bofu no ka da nsem ne say an Obake na dey place Akwaaba no tribalist na ade mu nyai na even kwa no wezo na was because aha gan aha nya ever aha nya voter region it wezo no kwa no yenyi wezo no free so na ye maintain Obake no kwa
tax to the mayor, and so find out from the mayor he's handling those things. When I received, no, you said he didn't want to talk. No, he should be able to update you because that was about a week ago when we engaged. I taxed him to a specific they should agree on whatever name they want to use there, and so they work on it. So he should be able to update you the happenings there.
And you think it's a genuine concern?
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the gas. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the voters. Are you getting? So they have legitimate concerns. I mean, these are real concerns that needs to be addressed, and so I will support them. Why not?
Na enu no ana Bigscout na prempe of Bigscout Media any audition of the Reason Show abe clash with and someone Greater Accra Regional Minister in fact almost na dream mo embre this coming from a whole minister party and ma me no only serious
we Greater Accra Regional Minister Madam Linda Okolo enra ye da sorry ye wa pass a useless comment be say Accra is for guns now omanya anka before egu nkan no amo yesa no say Obake o so ba pete o so ba de no mo bedri development ho na epona no mo ja ese mo ja mo na gu pona no na mo dwini for say employment beba no and sometime time way and the minister so changes so now educated this minister see Accra a national capital it does not belong to one group of people point black TNA now the point is say if we are to go by the minister useless and reckless irresponsible statement in there now cocoa gold manganese diamond bauxite in Accra Nina is coming from the accounts dominated area. So, Madam Minister, are you saying, say, we also should hold up to cocoa, gold, diamond, manganese, bauxite, and timber? Are we okay? See, why? I tell you, Nina say, winning. And you probably be near Sadian, because of the hatred they have for Asante Frontier. Now, unse, Senkakwaye, welcome and ways on one, common Kasa. And because of the a long time hatred, and yet the attitude woman would now, if you say that there were no crown, I mean, on record in Accra and in Klano, Ope, one more develop Kuruna, and Yagafo. A new part develop Accra, we 100%, a more 80% Ayakan people. The same account dominated people that develop Accra. Also, government are taking resources from all developed Akan states and it be developed Accra. Naseka, if you are to go by that useless statement from this minister, say Accra belongs to Accra Gasia. Now, cocoa and diamond, gold resources and kiyan holding your home. Nanka Gabede. Namibusao. All these natural resources free Akan dominated areas, no. Omu headquarters and fancy is Accra. Accra is to go to gold board, how is he? Other than Kotepa, go sumim. Madam Minister, Munya study. Namon can afford to be now, yes, I know. Eti poster na mo gena mo ko hu mo pre development hwe pona no ho hwe tachi nungwa hwe oso de waye mo nwene ho aho no ba bi on buy on ma develop kama no mo tewo the same accounts they live in better places, don't you think? And hatred, pure jealousy and envy o man ya mo pre development dia mo nwene nie say adia oba aquels oba pretes oba dien hey, stop the hatred against Asantefo na Akwaaba enya Asantefo kasankwa eya accounts and they are the dominated or populated language or when a dawson and it's in the framers of the constitution nim say accounts no and the dawson and you be stop the hatred against Asantefo me da say
enye wotan ahoya ene ani bra ankanipakuo kakra bi nsori anopa enye dede adanya Kutoka International Airport Akwaaba na ebo ho no ye nchenji no ebusuya oman sori anka se eye edin Kutoka no yensesa no nemom eye Akwaaba na ebo ho no enu mom na nipa dasani enkofukuo bi eni abre se adenti ana ye de Akwaaba akwakobo eye Kutoka International Airport nemum yemfa omukuro mkasa a eye enkran kasa no embo ho ebusia mopa Ghana ekuro Ghana no edin Ghana no mopa mo nsesa no emfanya eye mukuro mudin bibia no betimi ama akanfo abre yasida Akwaaba no eye akanfo sebi yakasa Ghana ye promo doso ewo Ghana eye akanfo se munimo a Ghana ye penkofukuo a mo doso ewo Ghana asase ne so a eye akanfo etino boni be ne wom se ye di edin Akwaaba no ebebo ho boni be ne wom abra Akwaaba no ene uko wiase afana ba bia Akwaaba no yaje atum enya modie na mode bekọ akọbọ ho no ene besesen bibio ensesa hwe ebra na eye akan Asantefo ye boy ho modin se ye de ye kasa ebetete ye ma ye beka ye krom kasa ama ye nchirima ene yasefo nyina aka ye krom kasa no na mudi yatem musi ye nkurasefo ana Asantefo ye nkurasefo ana kanfo de omufi se Ghana yo modia titru Asantefo ene akan ejina akan amamre ene na mane ejina nyina eya Asantefo na bo eye akanfo ya mamre ene ya mane ho ban yanumfo de na eka omumpa nanka eye twikasa no ye jaika nanka ye nyina yakwa kambro fukasa Omo de brofo any pidgin obi krom kasa broken English ene tete omo ma e won nkran ho idene okon nkran a omo nkran kasa no abusua e fade out omo ma na yawo omo won nkran no mpo no omo ntimi nka kasa no ba eye akanfo no asantefo no efiri omo krom betena ye nkran asase so omo anfere so meka omo krom kasa ebra na ye katwi kasa no na omo di atem no na omo so kire omo mabrof kasa ene se mukrom kasa no eyira mode mani bre eba be hwe eye asantefo so mode mani bre eba eye akanfo so muana mayemo ntine ne mukrom kasa no obiampo enka biem ewo even eye enkran asase so eti enya Akwaaba na ebo ho no ana mokosesa ebe change bibi enti enya Akwaaba na yebesesa yebeyidi afiri ho no ena besesa bibi o abrofo no aka o mutrimo wie mopa munkotwie sika ewo BBC munkotwie sika ewo eye CNN ne yemfam promote eye de mopese ye de kobo ho akan kasa twi kasa Akwaaba no akwa yeti se eye ntampe yenye ho advert eso no oton a yebeto se ya no motie se ya emre bi etwa mu eye empanifo ye o madwene se omo de Accra Sports Stadium ekwa akwato eye ohini jan sankofukuo ya esore adenti ana sebise ya saase ye de ohini jan na eye omo se ohini jan eye asantini o cheso mu china sante empa sante asem he Akwaaba ye ombe so mu yifiri we eye omo se Akwaaba no eye asantefo kasa nko a but Akwaaba eye akan achemfo ka Akwaaba enfantefo ka Akwaaba stand to be corrected ye nyanum eye ahantafo eka eye Akwaaba ye nyanum eye abronofo eka Akwaaba chese abusuakuo ahodo a ewo Ghana akan abusuakuo kwawufuo enu omo keke ka ho nyina ye nyina ye ka Akwaaba yanso ne doso over be 47% ewo Ghana ye dodo account for enisa pepepe na mire bi etwa mo sori ye ana mo mpre e ma ye mfa eye Accra Sports Stadium ento eye ohini jan na omadwene mu no eye omo se ohini jan wo ya asantini ba na omunim se ohini jan ofri eye Eastern region na omadwene ye omo se ohini jan eye asantini etiyam omo mpre emien fo ohini jan enkoye eye ohini jan Sports Stadium ewon kran omampre ampani ampa omampre ba ye hwem modembo a ohini jan waba beboa ewo Ghana ye sports mu a abusunya opanyini no wa ye bidia ma Ghana opanyini na ye bidia ma Ghana ohini jan was the first you can say GFA president. I stand to be corrected. Ohini jan was the first GFA president. Wobua ma Ghana ya gudie won sensem ekọ ejina peni ekọ nanim etina wase ye hye eye Ohini jan animunyam etipanifo yo madwen se okay si enya hwe amana yemfa Accra Sports Stadium ento Ohini jan abusuya yanumfo yi esore ye ana yempene omo de yempene saa omampene ana Accra Sports Stadium enye di anfanto so ono maye na Accra Sports Stadium enso ebra mpanimfo ko eye asetena emo nyina eye omadwen se ye di Kumasi Sports Stadium beto babayara because babayara ye bia Ghana football abusuya anoma kura mbo wa because yeni modern bo babayara waye wo body aboa o man konkunu Ghana enti anoma bakra mbowa asantefo pene so emma yede babayara edino eto eye Kumasi Sports Stadium ebusia mi busamo babayara wo ya asantini oye akani babayara oye akani oye asantini asantefo ho nipa asantefo nya yimu sa woye Ghana ni na woye bibi aboa Ghana bibi woye bibi ama asombo de ama oman konkro Ghana asantefo beboa me yiwaye babayara ye wono ewaye kintampo ya wono ye asantemantemo ye wono kintampo nemom obebo Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko 1954 to 1961 1954 to 1961 ana babaya obebo ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko born homaden ensomye at the age of 32 years ana babaya ofiri mu yayaya esan se Asante kai baby a ofiri esan se Asante kai ni pabaya wo yenti sa wo born homaden e de som Asante Omo homade e de som Ghana Asante nyankaye e de maw enti ebre a ye de eye Kumasi Sports Stadium e to babayara no anoma bakura ammowa sanso nso na ankankrani bi a waye bibi dia bo man konkoro Ghana ye de ni din e to bibi so wo Kumasi a nipa dasani bia nu a obekasa e wo ho because Asante e penkabom Asante wonkaye Asante nyenyimu enu nti na ba Kumasi a yewo eye anraga yewo Mosi Zongo yewo Akwatia Lai yewo eye Agrek Enzema ene de kekeka ho name them da bena wote se eye Asante ni bia sorry se o ye ntiase adenti ana ode ha ato eye Fantini town adenti na wo frɛ ha eye Akwatia Lai adentina wo frɛ ha eye Atinga Junction ho Atinga o ye de na to brono a mekan ebia Atinga no kura no na ebia wo ye wachiman e wo fie bi mu ba esa ne modern bonti ye de eye brono Junction ato eye Atinga ene na kyese asantefo nya yimu eti de mo kan de mo ye ana ye kan sen ana Akwaaba no ye hia ana ebeyi afiri ho ana Akwaaba no ye beyi afiri ho Akwaaba no eye wiase nyina age atom oba Germany ampa oba Germany a na ko hospitals ahodo a omo tro brofo no omunim se majority of Ghana fo a omo okrom ha no omo ye akan fo etino akan so na e majority eto omo represent eye Akwaaba ohwe board no so Akwaaba ne bo ho no eye Germany a abusuya enye Germany anko a okọ eye Ivory Coast omo international airport Cote d'Ivoire omo international airport udu wa omo achro Akwaaba omo de Akwaaba esi ho eti enye de mo beye ene de mo beka ane betimi abre eye akanfo anas asandefo ase o sabi ebre ana yade ye kasa etete ye mano na mo sere yen na mo di atem mo se yen tebrofo mo se yen kabrofo enne yakoso aka ye krom kasa ma ye krom kasa no yaje ato wiase afa na ba bia o mampanyin Jerry Penso a eye American mampanyin Clinton oba Ghana wanka kasa bia ya nkyere ne kasa bia se twi kasa ana de kyere no.
Thank you, President and Mrs. Rawlings, honorable ministers, honorable members of the Council of State, honorable members of Parliament, honorable members of the Judiciary, Nananum and the people of Ghana. Me chiamo. America for chiamo.
Eti de mo ya ne de ebusuya se mo kasa na atonsuo ma enya asantefo so na mo befa e de apagya mo kasa no because atonsuo o pese yi Akwaaba no efiri ho enso mo ya party a mo bo eye akan twinum mo si yi eye Akwaaba ni efiri ho enso ya nkrani wo hye wo dem na se bi se wo pese wo tie nyumpa eye asante twi kasa Enyom no na abetie. Mo ye wedding, mo festivals ahodo kra na aya na mo ye kra no. Enya asantefo hwikasa Akwaaba na mo si ye yimfiri ho no. Enya Akwaaba hwikasa no. Ana ya mutie no nyom e wo mo dem. Mo pa ye nyi Akwaaba ni mfiri ho. Radio stations e wo eye nkran nyina age se mo kase ye ngu no. Just a radio stations e wo nkran nyina ye gu no. Na se ye gu na mo wosika mbetimi de abie bi. Mo wosika mo betimi abie bi mo de bie bi e wo nkran ho mo wosika. Ewiase ne kuro bia bekosu bia no ye wo nkofo bia o ma dominate. Oba eye Germany ha ye wo nkofo bia o mo doso eye Bayern fo no Bayern Munchi ehofo no o ma dominate. Etri oba Germany ha obi anim se Bayern fo de even omo national team ansa na omefa players no omo select players dodo a omo free eye Bayern ansa na bia soso ye omo makeke ka no so asema meken opa akubusa oko eye Israel Jew fo no so dominate wo ho ekuro bia bekoso ko Spain ko eye UK ekuro bia bekoso bia ye wo abusua kuo bia o ma dominate wo ho sapepepe na oba Ghana eye akanfo no eye twifo no yen ya dominate e wo Ghana etimu dede bebrebe na mo ye no even Accra ho na sebi motie no majority of eye omo te eye nkran eye akanfo Accra enyuma hodo a e won nkran majority ni nyina ye akanfo ya anya achemfo a eye kwawfo anya kwawfo a eye asantefo omo na dominate e won nkran ana asema make meboa even Kotoka International Airport wo no kra no nipa dodo a omo fa ho etu kwan metima ka say almost 80% and as almost 90% e yakanfo Kotoka International Airport wo omo fa ho etu kwan each and every day omo fa wo pie omo fa wo wram majority of them e yakanfo anya infantini a eye asantini anya asantini a eye kwawuni anya kwawuni a eye bununi anya bununi a eye achimni anya achimni a eye ahanta chese akan abusuakuo no ana dominate enti mududu na ne fa Kotoka editu kwan etino dia mo ba be chiro oba ke oba wo oba de ebe na mo pese mo de ba no why na mi ye ka busuakuo kura na ewo Ghana kura na anka mo kura de motoso be 4 kura abusuakuo a ewo Ghana ye dodo na anka mo kura de motoso 4 enya bone but munye eye wotan ne ahoya ne mfiri mu ada ne de nyina mun koa mo de bibia ebekoso won kra bia yempene wa hini jan the same thing yempene sese so de yenkoyi eye Akwaaba ne mfiri ho airport no edin na da so no kura no da ho man ka se yen change eye airport ni din no mo pa airport no kura no mo nsesa no some say si masase so eye Ghana japade instead so mbe pre eye empuntuo ukọ eye baabi eye nuanom eye gafo motie na sebi mo mudi ho adanse instead se mo be pre empuntuo akọ eye brono a motetete so no hard feelings but munim no kura making instead se mo sora no pa mo be pre empuntuo se sebi baabi eye nuanom gafo etete sebi ehwaye sei enti ebesre enkwada dodo na enko school enti ahemfo a ewo ho sibia ye nana otumfo se tutu aye education fund a wode boankofo ma ebimpo eso afoforo so otumfo education fund etra eko around Ghana baby a na ka mo dwene ho na mo bobo ho ekwan mo befa so a edi mpuntuo ne adwuma ebeba mo mu badabi o de ho hia na mo ba be ko ho ntokwa se yenyi we mfiri ho ana yenyi we mfiri ho but busa ho se ye yi free wa e de aduane beba besi wo table so ana se ye yi free wa e de aduane e beba besi mu table so ana ye yi free wa e be ma Jamestown akwa ye te se eye East Legon ana se yi Akwaaba ni free wa e be ma eye Choko akwa ye te se Trasaco ana se Sprinters ana se munja sa ho ya na mon dwene empuntuo amode be ma eye mo manfo eno ne hia enne so konkran a majority of enyuma a ewo nkran ye nwanum akanfo ya ana akwakọ biebie enyuma ye nwanum akanfo ya na akwakọ biebie enyuma ama obi a enye bi eye wo ho ye nyina ye Ghana fo kasa na obekọ akọ change no entimi nsesa hwe akanfo na bo eye ekwana to for many years Oma boma mamre ene oma ba kwasem ho ban besi ne yase tetekwashi ene de eye koko eba eye Ghana tetekwashi wonye eye asantini ana tetekwashi onye eye akani oye nkrani ba tetekwashi ede eye koko ne ba Ghana no ehemfa no kodua ye emane yeye eye akan land Oko Eastern region, Oko Western region, Oko Ashanti region. Majority of Ghana cocoa. Majority of Ghana cocoa e hone free ba. Because e hone wudua ye. Cocoa sika hodo a e free Ashanti region, e free Eastern, e free Western. Ene bron, ene ahafo, ene nimpotem, e free hoba no. Sika doso po no e henfa ene de ko. Eye nkran. Cocoa board fancy office kesipano fancy esin crime ade tina ye nuanu bunu fo nka se esa se yen eye cocoa dodo na efri ho ade tina ye nuanu mo Eastern region enka se cocoa dodo na efri ho ade tina ye nuanu masante fo nka se cocoa dodo na efri ho nti yenkosi eye cocoa board office kese no ewo ho tabi ehunhia Ghana ye gold pa ye to gold a ye to e fa no do na efre hefa but ene gold board e buy e hefa ne si office na hefa ne si mumi ye jai sa anwoya ene enibre ana we ni ana asantefo okra de ba Ghana ye penkofo a sabi omoji ahoho ye penkofo a asem enyo omohi ye penkofo a sabi omoji wo bia etum ye penkofo a omodo ni panyina abusua adanse ne da ho de mu ye kura edi ho adanse we kakra ya mu ye a kire se asantefo de oma yaade because omutimi pene ema ye de eye babayara eto eye Kumasi Sports Stadium na chese asantefo yaade ebi mu ka se ana asantefo be pene ama ye de eye ye kan say Akwaaba ewo eye anwona kasem aba beboko eye Kumasi eye international airport prempe the first international airport ana abusia asantefo ni sa problem no asantefo ni sa problem no se ye de eye obake ana obake no ye de ba bebo prempe the first international airport asantini bia nu a be ne dadwene me ka de kire mo sempanifo yo madwene se ye de eye Kumasi eye international airport mpo to ni manche bi kura na Kumasi fo enye ye dadwene because ya ye bi pen se ekire bi no ya se ye change eye Kumasi airport mpo din no e de ato ni manche bi kura na Kumasi fo ha ye da because enye no na se bi ye be di ada asante din no wo ho etenye we aye be sesa no e na be hayen Babusia busa won se anke kuro be so a anke be ya na omompene enu ntina obe Kumasi a wo hwe opem so ne nsa benkum so na nachi yennuanum seremufo age ho aboso aso ase na egu ne nsa asoase gu ne nsa benkum so asoase ewo n'achi alaba ewo n'anim ye abusuafuo ni nyina atum ewo ye asante mantem dabusua mamo masa dede no omo ye no ehamo ye nyina ye hu nipa ban a omo ye etimo bia enkase ntia wo mo ma wo bia emma na no enkotia omo ahemfo mo bia enye dede omo pa Ghana dini mpo omo nsesa no na omo mfran eye ni Ghana omo pa Kotoka International Airport kwa no omo mfran eye Gama nche enya ade ebe ha wo bia omo pekura na flight na e free eye Germany e free eye Amsterdam e free eye America e free UK ebe ni nyina no omo nkotro eye Ni Airways emobobo ho planes ahodo a e free amamman so ebe lande wo Ghana no omo pa omo nkotro Ni Airways emobobo ho asantefo bekwa akoforo ye bekwa akotrem ye beba besi nkran ye wi a ye bekokumase akwakodi fufuo emfa ye ho because ye no ya ma ye ho kwan se wo bia etimi betra ye krom ye nyan yimu Ghana mo pa mo nsesa bibia ba ye katrama de muntimi ntwa ye katrama muntimi ntwa ye bekoso aye proud aka ye krom kasa Ghana ni kwa kani krom kasa asantini kwa katri kasa yese wabon we ye kurase ni enne mo de ekoso mo se mu krom kasa no sebi eyira mu krom kasa no eyira mu krom kasa eyira ebekoso ayira mo paaje se mu kodundum eye radio station se wo eye enkran nyina Kumasi nyina Ghana majority of Ghanaians ye be katri ena abrofo no po esu atwi kasa abrofo no po eka twi kasa abrofo no po eka akan kasa enye de obeye no ana se bebitima bre eye asante ase mo nanan mo kra try anye yi na enne ya ji bibia tumawie enti ye besre ye nwanom akanfo mo mienka ye hombom na de ye ba no mo se wo mo kekeka mo hombom mummy enso yanka ye hombom ni enjai watimi wakame ye nyina ye nipa baako mummy yanka ye hombom se ne be ya sebi obi antimi mbu ye nimtia yama amanyo sem ne amanyofo atete ye ntem
obeto akere wa adwen amame e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Media Accra.